This is a doctor community. This is a conference, a summit of learning, of sharing. Whether you are in your first year of your journey, or like Dr. Rohde, you're in your 11th year, share your insights. I promise you, those that are just within their first year can teach those that are in their 11th and everything in between.
I think the Solea Summit so far is awesome. You guys do an incredible job of getting like-minded dentists together to get to know each other. Lectures and presentations and hands-on workshops have been excellent. You know, the vendors here are awesome, and I mean, really just the facility, the food, I mean, the parties, it's all pretty great.
Every year, I'm just blown away by you know, how people want to share what's going on in their practice. I come away from this learning something every time. Even though I'm here as a presenter, I always learn.
Well, Solea Summit, I always joke this has got to be one of my favorite meetings of the year because it's my people. It's people that get it, and it's people that truly value the power of education and community. And that's ultimately, for me, what makes this so special is because we're all doing things very differently, but we can come together in a safe environment to learn together, and we get to share and collaborate. And honestly, it's just a boatload of fun.